Eggs, come on, we all love them, whether it's breakfast, lunch, or dinner.
Creamy and fluffy, and the way he says this method of doing scrambled eggs, you start with a cold pan.
Scrambled egg. Start off in a cold pan.
So you can see the curds and how by mixing it and even at times take it off the heat.
You can see the egg starting to cook. I'm 60 seconds on, I come off now. I clean down the side of my pan, I whisk it back in, and there is a secret, making sure that you're folding everything from that pan, cleaning the sides, and so I've got maximum yield on the eggs. I'm off for 30 seconds, I go back on.
So it stops the cooking process so you can catch up on the breaking up of the curds, puts it back on the heat. Right? And then, there you go. And it's done. Careful, it's hot. But see how fluffy and different the texture is. It's about the texture.
Look at that.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Texture. It's creamy and fluffy,
really good, right?
Yeah.